Sorry, sorry, I didn't get your question.
The question is that we had a discussion. Everybody gave the different opinions. My question, that anything which you found today and you think that this is the point which can add color to my life, this is the point which can help me in taking my decision, or the decision of my marriage, or the decision of the marriage of my children. That is the point. Please.
Secondly, according to my thought, I want to say if you are a job holder or you are a businessman and you have no parents, so don't be hesitant and go to parents of a girl which you want to marry. And as far as respect is concerned, you should be humble and respectful.
Okay, respect.
And if you do respect, you have a positive answer. And if you can't use any social media or any worst ways of approaching to anyone,
very good,
just go to her parents and express your feeling to her parents. As we all know, in our culture, this is no good thing to tell a girl, I want to marry you directly. So don't use these ways.
Okay.
Just do nikah, and then you talk with her with messages or meeting or as you can. So this is the point I wanna add.
Okay, so what could I understand? Now, actually, no, he's talking about another scenario where now that the suitor, the male suitor, I mean the boy, is orphan. He has that no parents, no mother, no father. Then what should he do? If he has started that fancying or liking someone, so he can directly, or he himself can visit the girl's parents, and over he can express his feeling of love or his that true feeling of marriage in front of the parents. But keep in mind that he should not use such words which can embarrass the girl. What could I understand?
Yes.
That is the thing, That was another scenario. Please.
Thank you, sir. I'm totally agreed with my batchmates.
Okay.
But I have something to add in it. That's
Mr. Furqan.
Mr. Umar.
Umar, Dr. Umar, okay.
Dr. Umar said before protocol.
Man, Mr. Doctor is enjoying that protocol today because the whole talk is that revolving around his point of view. And he always wins. If you watch all previous 5 videos, you would come to know that his point always wins. There was a girl, so she was of the point of view, the character should be seen and so on and so on. And Mr. Doctor was very straightforward. He said, no, nothing is seen. It is the money, it is the wealth, it is your, that fame and popularity, and etc. that matters. Status, And she, no. And but at the moment she started explaining the things, she was at the same point of view. Mr. Doctor always wins. Okay.
So I want to say, if a girl and boy have same feelings,
very good,
then they have to decide personally.
Okay.
And if they both are agreed, then they have to involve their families.
Okay.
And if the story is one-sided, I mean the other person is not aware of the feelings of the suitor, then this proposal should be sent throughout some reliable and respectable person from the family of the suitor or among common friends, etc.
The same thing which I could understand. That if the couple has fallen in love, so this decision should be taken by them.
Personally.
Yeah, personally. No involvement of anybody else. And if this is not the scene, then the decision should be taken by the parents.
Yes.
But as you quoted Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so it's we to seek the consent of the children,
Yes.
of the daughter or the son. What could I understand?
Yes.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Please, your point of view.
I'm agree with all of my batchmates.
Okay.
But, I don't want to add something else.
Okay, there's nothing new, which you want to add, no addition.
No, sir.
And what's about any deletion? You want to delete something? That this point, it should not be over there. Or any refinement, that it can be made more beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything? No.
In my opinion, when both the people, I mean the boy and the girl, give their consent to their respective families, this is the only legal and Islamic way.
These people are repeatedly saying that it's we to go for that Islamic concept of marriage. What's that? That consent of both the people and then involvement of the family Because finally we are to live with the family in the society. If you go for elopement, elopement, to run away by taking the boy or the girl, this elopement, it always results in negative, Why? Because you can't live in the society. So the best decision is that is taken in consultation with the parents, with the society, and you can convince the society. But ultimately, that whose opinion should prevail? The children. This is the opinion of the children. Keep in mind, not the parents, But the children should try to convince, But if they fail, then there is a platform which is known as the court. It's you to convince the judge, It's you to convince, you can say the people who are there in the seat, If you convince, no issue. The final question of the day.